Meanwhile, we have more news coming in. This again has got to do with Sardar Ji. Now, the maker has spoken to India today. Filmmaker says no India release for the film, something that Sana was telling us about as well. Film shot before the conflict, keeping sentiments of Indians in mind. Diljit Dosanjh skips the India release of Sardar Ji 3, starring Pakistan actor Hania Amin. Sardar Ji 3, featuring Diljit Dosanjh and Pakistan actor Hania Amin, will not release in India due to the Indian film industry's ban on Pakistan actors. The film is set to see an overseas release on the 27th of June, this Friday. It's a horror comedy satire on ghostbusting. Now, actor Diljit Dosanjh's upcoming film, starring Pakistan actor Hania Amin, will release only overseas. I'll go back to Sana for more details. So it's a clarification coming in that we respect the sentiments of Indians back home here in the country. The film was shot before Operation Sindoor and it will be released overseas. Sana.
Absolutely, Sneha. As I was speaking about it earlier, the film was shot before the India-Pakistan conflict. But given the sentiments right now, be it, of course, Hania's comments around Operation Sindoor, or the entire sentiment right now when it comes to both the countries, it was not feasible for the film to release in India. And this is what the fans have also been saying, that Diljit is a Desi star. He's a Punjabi heartthrob. He's a Punjabi star. And he should have just kind of avoided having Hania in the film or replaced her. But as per sources also tell us that it wasn't feasible to replace an actor from an already short film which was in post-production during the Operation Sindoor, and thus the filmmakers have decided to go ahead with the release and avoid a release in India. Of course, they wanted to respect the sentiments of Indians, and thus they've decided not to release the film in India. And of course, the fans had demanded that Hania should be replaced, and that was the rumor, as Anjali was rightly mentioning, during the Pahalgam attack, when the advisory and the federations had gone ahead and mentioned that no Pakistani artist should be part of Indian films and Indian projects of any kind. And that was the rumor that was going around, that Hania will be replaced from the film. But however, as we all know, this industry doesn't work that way. It's impossible to replace an actor from an already short film. And I think it was an intelligent move by the makers to go ahead and just release it in overseas market and avoid an Indian release. However, definitely fans are disappointed, given Diljit's fan following in the rural core of India, in the Desi core of India. They are absolutely disappointed that he's collaborated with the Pakistani artist. Of course, it's a conflicted issue. Of course, he as an artist shot with her before the attacks, and before things were this difficult, this sensitive. He shot with Hania before it. The maker signed her because of her global appeal around the world, and I think it's just a matter of it is just a matter of time. I mean, whatever is happening is just how sensitive the issue is right now. It's, of course, the fans are disappointed, the fans are emotional about it, but when we look at it from a business point of view, it only makes sense that the makers decided to release this film overseas and avoid an Indian release. So what do you say?
And not the first time, Sana Farzeen, given that the involvement of Pakistan actors in Indian movies has generated controversy and so much more during escalation of tensions of this nature, isn't it? There have been previous instances in the past as well.
Absolutely. Fawad Khan's film Abir Gulal, which was ready for release on May 9th, had to be shelved. And because given the how volatile the situation was back in April and May, the makers had even deleted all content, be it the trailers, the songs, everything was removed from the internet overnight. And that just speaks of the volumes of how sensitive Indians are about this issue, and they did not want that any Pakistani artists, film or content be released in India. And even the government had supported it. The federation had gone ahead and said that they are sending advisory to every production house that if they work with any Pakistani artist, there would be no cooperation from any workers of the federation. The Workers Association had come together and said that they will not allow any Pakistani actors to be part of Indian films. Fawad's film with Vani Kapoor, which was absolutely shot in UK. I mean, Fawad hadn't even stepped into Indian soil to shoot for the film, had to be banned, had to be
Okay.
stopped. The film was stalled, and of course, every footage, every content piece was removed from the internet
That's
after
right.
that.
All right, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Sana Farzin getting asked those details and putting that story into perspective for the time being. It's been said by the makers that the film is not being released in India and sentiments of Indians being kept in mind. Really, it's going to be released outside of India.